Bring nature inside with our Sweet Dreams blend.
We're going to teach you how to make a candle using essential oils and other natural ingredients, and we're going to use beautiful flowers to help decorate it. You'll want to grab your September recipe box and big bonus box. From your recipe box, grab your recipe card and soy wax and candle wick.
And don't forget your labels.
And for this recipe, we're going to use our Sweet Dreams essential oil blend.
And then from your big bonus box, you're going to want to grab your solid coconut oil and also your beeswax.
To start, we're going to melt our waxes using a double boiler, which is a small pan resting inside a larger pan of hot water. You can also do this with a glass measuring cup, setting in a hot pan of water, or you can do it in the microwave using short intervals. So we're going to add about 1/3 cup of soy wax. For your subscribers, you're getting a 2-ounce bag of soy wax. You can use about half of it or weigh it out. We're also going to add a 1/2 tablespoon of coconut oil and a tablespoon of beeswax. All right, so we're gonna go melt this. Once it's melted, we'll add our essential oil. So now that our wax is melted, we are going to add 40 drops of Sweet Dreams essential oil. All right, so we'll stir that. Make sure you stir your essential oils in, otherwise it might just sit on top. So now we're going to add here our wick by using a little bit of wax down here. And we're also going to add flowers to the outside of our jar. So you can dip those in the wax and then place them wherever you would like. The flowers will be slightly distorted by the wax, like some of the wax will get between the flower and the jar. All right, so here's this. We'll add the wax and we'll show you how it kind of distorts the flowers a little bit. All right, so we're gonna let this cool. Candles cool from the outside in, so while it might look totally cool, it's best to wait at least a few hours before burning your candle so that it's totally cooled through. But I think you'll really love this recipe.
Don't forget to head to simplyearth.com and hit that subscribe now button.
If you love using essential oils to make your home less toxic, you are gonna love our recipe box. Thanks for watching.
See you later.